Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth almost effortlessly, while others work harder and still stay stuck? It's not magic. It's not luck. It's the psychology behind their decisions. Rich people don't just earn more, they think differently, act differently, and make choices that automatically multiply their success. Most of the time, they aren't even aware they're using these psychological tricks. But once you understand them, you can apply them to your own life and fast forward your growth. Today, you're about to unlock 10 psychological patterns the wealthy use, quietly, naturally, and powerfully. And the final point will completely shift how you view wealth forever. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Let's dive in. Number 1. The selective energy rule, protecting mental fuel. The wealthy treat energy like a limited resource. Most people waste their mental fuel on drama, jealousy, negative conversations, petty arguments, or distractions that drain focus. But rich people subconsciously protect their energy like gold. They know that mental clarity determines financial clarity, so they avoid anything that interrupts their flow, whether it's people, habits, or environments. This psychological trick helps them stay emotionally stable and mentally powerful. They don't spend energy proving themselves to others. They don't argue to win every point. They don't chase validation. Instead, they save their energy for creativity, strategy, decision-making, and problem-solving, the skills that actually build wealth. When you start treating your energy as currency, your life becomes lighter and more productive. You start saying no more often, choosing your environment wisely, and focusing on what moves you forward. And that's when progress becomes inevitable. Number 2. The internal locus of control, taking responsibility. Instantly. Rich people have a deep psychological belief. My life is in my control. Whether things go right or wrong, they immediately look inward instead of blaming luck, society, or circumstances. This internal control system gives them tremendous power because responsibility creates clarity and clarity creates solutions. When something fails, ordinary people look for external reasons. The market is bad. Nobody supports me. Life is unfair. But wealthy thinkers ask, what can I learn? What should I do differently? How do I adapt? This mindset turns every setback into data instead of defeat. When you shift to an internal locus of control, your mindset becomes unshakable. You stop waiting for something miraculous to happen. You stop blaming. You stop complaining. Instead, you start building. And the moment you take full responsibility, life starts responding differently. It's one of the most underrated psychological superpowers of the rich. Number 3. The opportunity radar, spotting possibilities. Others miss. Rich people move through the world with their minds switched on. They naturally scan for opportunities, patterns, gaps, problems, inefficiencies, unmet needs. This psychological habit makes them see profit where others see inconvenience and solutions where others see complaints. When average people encounter a problem, they get frustrated. But the wealthy ask, what's missing here? Or how can this be done better? This shift in mindset unlocks thousands of possibilities. Their brain becomes trained to look for value creation instead of obstacles. This radar isn't built from education. It's built from curiosity and awareness. They pay attention to what people want, what people avoid, what people struggle with, and what people pay for. And because they observe deeply, they spot opportunities earlier than the average person. When you start developing your own opportunity radar, everything changes. You stop scrolling aimlessly, and you start noticing business ideas. You stop complaining, and you start analyzing. You stop saying, I can't, and start asking, how can I? This psychological shift alone can turn an ordinary thinker into a wealth creator. Number 4. The outcome detachment, staying calm when others panic. Detachment allows them to think clearly when others panic. They don't break down if a plan fails, nor do they get overly excited when something succeeds. They treat results as data, not identity. Every outcome, good or bad, is simply feedback. This mindset keeps them steady during market downturns, business failures, financial uncertainties, and major risks. Because they don't take failure personally, they learn faster. Because they don't overreact to success, they remain grounded. Detachment gives them control over emotions, and emotional control protects them from poor decisions. When you adopt this trick, life becomes smoother. Setbacks lose their power. Opinions lose their influence. Fear reduces. You become steady, strategic, and unshakable. And that's exactly what wealth requires. Number 5. The silence advantage. Listening. Instead of broadcasting, rich people understand something most people overlook. Silence is leverage. Instead of talking constantly, they listen, carefully, intentionally, and strategically. Their silence helps them absorb more information, notice hidden details, and understand people better. They use silence in conversations, negotiations, opportunities, and decision-making. While others rush to speak, the wealthy observe tone, intent, patterns, and contradictions. This ability helps them trust the right people, avoid the wrong ones, and decode situations that others misread. In business, silence becomes a negotiation weapon. In relationships, silence reveals character. In learning, silence accelerates understanding. Their quietness is not shyness, it's psychological discipline. They don't feel the need to announce their plans or prove their intelligence. Their confidence is internal, not loud. When you learn to use silence intentionally, your awareness heightens. You catch opportunities others miss. You understand human behavior better. You avoid unnecessary conflicts and make smarter decisions. Silence isn't emptiness, it's information. Number 6. The identity shift trick. Becoming the person before getting the reward. One of the most powerful psychological tools the rich use, often without realizing, is identity alignment. They act like the person they want to become long before they reach that level. Not by pretending, but by adopting the habits, decisions, and discipline of their future self. Before they become wealthy, they think like investors, not consumers. Before they become leaders, they communicate like leaders. Before they achieve success, they follow the routines of successful people. Identity comes first, results come second. Changing identity changes behavior. When you start seeing yourself as disciplined, you automatically act disciplined. When you see yourself as capable, you take bigger steps. When you see yourself as someone who deserves success, you stop sabotaging your potential. Most people wait for success to change their identity. The wealthy reverse the process. They change identity to attract success. And this shift becomes the foundation of every habit, every decision, and every financial result that follows. Number 7. The association filter. Choosing people who elevate, not drain. Wealthy people are extremely intentional about who they allow into their mind. They know that the people around them influence their confidence, ideas, standards, and ambition, so they subconsciously filter their environment. Their rule is simple. The right people pull you forward, the wrong people pull you backward. They choose to be around people who think big, act responsibly, show discipline, and support growth. They avoid complainers, excuse makers, and energy drainers. Because they understand that environment shapes destiny, they build a circle that matches their future, not their past. This psychological filter gives them emotional stability, higher motivation, and better decision quality. Conversations become opportunities, relationships become growth tools, and networks become pathways to wealth. When you start filtering your associations, your mindset transforms. Your self-belief grows, your negativity reduces, your vision expands. You become who you surround yourself with, and the wealthy know this better than anyone. Number 8. The emotion to logic switch. Making smarter decisions under pressure. Money is emotional, but rich people don't let emotions drive their decisions. They have trained themselves to switch into logic mode when dealing with finances, opportunities, negotiations, or risks. While others react out of fear, excitement, ego, or pressure, wealthy thinkers pause. They detach from the noise. They analyze facts, patterns, consequences, and long-term effects. This ability to switch from emotion to logic protects them from impulsive decisions, unnecessary risks, and financial disasters. They don't buy from hype. They don't panic during dips. They don't chase shortcuts. They don't get manipulated by trends. Their decisions come from clarity, not chaos. When you learn this switch, you become more stable, more intelligent, and more strategic. Life becomes easier because emotions stop controlling outcomes. Logic becomes your guide, and money responds beautifully to logic. Number 9. The long game bias, thinking decades, not days. Rich people see the world through a long-term lens. While most people ask, "What can I gain right now?" the wealthy ask, "What will this create for me 5, 10, or even 20 years from now?" This long-game mindset is a psychological filter that helps them avoid distractions and focus on actions that compound over time. Instead of chasing quick dopamine hits, like unnecessary purchases, instant gratification, or get-rich-quick schemes, they choose habits and decisions that pay off slowly but massively. Thinking long-term changes how they invest, how they learn, and how they build relationships. They don't expect immediate results. They expect progress, and because their expectations are different, they don't panic when results take time. This patience becomes their competitive advantage. Over the years, consistency quietly builds empires. When you start thinking like this, your entire life shifts. You begin valuing growth over comfort, persistence over speed, and patience over shortcuts. You stop comparing yourself to where others are today and start focusing on where you'll be years from now. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built by the person who thinks in decades. Number 10. The time-wealth mindset. Understanding that time is the real millionaire currency. Here's the psychological trick most people never understand until it's too late. Rich people value time more than money. For them, time is the real wealth. Money can be recovered, but time cannot. So they structure their life around maximizing time freedom, not just income. They outsource tasks that drain time. They invest in skills and systems that multiply time. They avoid time-wasting people and habits. And they spend their time doing things that create long-term value, learning, building, creating, investing. When you start valuing time like the wealthy do, you stop procrastinating. You stop delaying your dreams. You stop trading your entire life for a paycheck. Instead, you build systems, habits, skills, and opportunities that give you the ultimate luxury, freedom. The biggest secret isn't that rich people have money. It's that they have patterns of thinking that naturally pull them toward wealth. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Tell yourself, "I am wealthy" in the comments. If you are ready to become wealthy soon, I'll see you in the next video.